So here we are at the top of the Stelvio. Wayne and I have just made it up. Dave and Vivian we've just found up here as well. They've come the other way from the Umbrail Pass, which is a little easier. I've been up to here before, but I've never been up that side, and that's the side with about 40 odd hairpins, and there's so much traffic today. It's 4:15, and I think that's one of those get the sticker, and I don't think I need to do that again and prove it to anybody that I can do the Stelvio. There's a few Nadgery moments with people in front of us, and it just messes up your lines, and then you're in a sticky position. So I wouldn't recommend it too up, to be honest. Okay, so we're at the top of the Stelvio at the Bormio village. Just put that on. Right, so I think we're ready. I think it's the Umbrail Pass next, and then to Livigno and the hotel. It's 11.5 degrees. I've got content with the cars going down this side here. More photos, stelvio.com. The weather looks like it's... oh, here it comes. I thought there was going to be a rain shower or something. It's just coming over a bit darker, so need to get down into the sunshine. Some pretty spectacular views down the valley. If you've never done this, so just have a look at some videos on YouTube before you decide to come up the other side that we've just come up, because some of the bends are very tight, and if you meet someone coming the other way, it can be very awkward. A lot of the cars were even just sort of waiting on the corners because they weren't quite sure of how they were going to navigate right the way round without blocking people coming up. It's a nightmare. Someone said there's been a ride who's fallen off just going up it after us. I would probably think there's one an hour I should think fall off, because I should think there's some people who are perhaps not quite as experienced as others. It's challenging even for an experience. I've been riding for sort of 30 odd years. Put it this way, I wouldn't rush to go and do it straight away again now. That's enough, thank you. So I hope you're getting this. Look at this valley, fantastic. Oh, let's put the windscreen up a bit. Try to make it a little less noisy. There we go. That's the old road up. Look at that, how steep that one is. My god, it's like a goat track. Camera, quick, look at this. I see it better from down here. There we go. Pretty impressive. A couple of gallons coming down there. Further down the lower reaches of the Stelvio. There you are, you've probably had enough of this for now.